Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to basically rewind on a song or a podcast with the Apple earbuds with Lightning connector. This is the one that has basically the charging connector, same one as your phone charger, and also works with iPads that don't have the USB-C cable. So let's say we're playing a song and we want to go rewind the song backwards for a moment, or maybe it's a podcast and they said something, you want to listen again. What we have to do is with the physical buttons on the cable, we have to do a double click and a long press. So I'm going to play it and then we're going to do 1, 2, press long. And as you can see, it's skipping backwards with a timestamps. So this is what I told you. I let go, it's playing, double click and hold, and it's going backwards. And if you want to go forwards, it's 1 click and hold, and then we're going forwards. So that's how you can do it with the little interface that it has on physically on the cable. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.